Welcome back, dear students. We are starting with the next exercise. We are starting with the second question of exercise 5.3. Find the sums given below. We are given APs and we are to find their sum. See, the given APs, second question first part is 7 plus 10 and a half plus 14 and so on. Nth term we are given is 84. So simplifying it is 7, 10 and a half in improper fraction it becomes 21 by 2 plus 14 and so on up to 84. What is A given? It is 7. What is D given? It is D will be second term minus first term, 21 by 2 minus 7. 2 is the LCM, 21 minus 14 is equal to 7 by 2. What is nth term given? 84. अब देखो, we are not given the value of n, we are to find the value of Sn. So from an, first we will find the value of n and then we will find Sn. What is an given? An is given a. What is the formula for an? It is a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of an given? It is 84. A is given 7 plus n minus 1 into d is 7 by 2. So 84 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. This 7 is shifted on the other side. Here it is plus, so it becomes minus. 84 minus 7 is equal to 77 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. अब n minus 1 की वैल्यू निकालनी है. 7, this 77 as it is 7 by 2, when it is shifted on the other side it becomes 2 by 7. So it is equal to 22. N minus 1 is equal to 22. What do we get? N is equal to 22. 1 is shifted on the other side. 22 plus 1 is equal to 23. So we have Sn is equal to n by 2. What is the formula for Sn? We did it in the last lecture. Formula for calculating Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. When we calculated n is equal to 23, it means we are to find the sum of 23 terms of this AP. So what is the formula for calculating Sn? It is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have all the values. What is the value of n? It is 23. What is the value of a? We already have 7. The value of d is 7 by 2. Substituting the values, 23 by 2, 2 into what is a? 7 plus 23 minus 1 into 7 by 2. 23 by 2, 2 into 7 becomes 14. 22 into 7 by 2. So cancelling it becomes 11. 23 by 2 into 44 plus 77. 23 by 2 into 91. It is equal to 2093 divided by 2. So simplifying we get it equal to 1046.5. So what is the sum of 23? जो ये Sn निकाला, इसका मतलब जब हमने वैल्यूज़ पुट कर दी तो ये कितनी टर्म्स का सम निकाला है हमने. We have calculated the sum of 23 terms of this AP. What is the difference in this question and the previous question? First question में क्या था? We were given the value of n. In this question we are not given the value of n. So first of all we will find the value of n using an, the formula for an, and then we will find the value of Sn. So in this exercise we will be making use of both the formulas an and Sn. Next question is, coming to the next question, second part of second question is, it is 34. We have to find the sum of 34, 32, 30 and so on. What is the last term we are given? The last term we are given is 10. The last term we are given is 10. So we have, what is the value of a given? It is 34. What is the value of a given? It is 34. What is d given? It is d will be 32 minus 34 is equal to minus 2. And what is an? We have 10. Again we will find the value of n first. So we will find the value of n. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 10. What is a given? 34 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 2. 10 is equal to 34 minus 2n. This minus and minus becomes plus, so it is plus 2. 10 is equal to 32 plus 34 plus 2 is equal to 36 minus 2n. So 2n is equal to 36 minus 10. 2n is equal to 26. So what do we get? N is equal to 13. You will keep in mind n will always be a whole, will always be a natural number. n की वैल्यू नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकती, फ्रैक्शन नहीं हो सकती, बिकॉज n is the number of terms. So Sn is equal to, again the formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What do we have calculated? N, it is 13. 13 by 2, 2 into what is a given, 34, plus 13 minus 1 into d is minus 2. So 13 by 2, 68, plus 12 into minus 2, 68 minus 24, 13 by 2 into 44. So simplifying, we get n is equal to 286. Now coming to the third part. Third part is given, same it is minus 5, minus 8, minus 11 and minus 230. What is a given? Minus 5. What is d given? Minus 8. This minus of formula and minus 5. So what do we get? D. D is minus 3 given. And what is an given? An is the nth term, which is equal to minus 230. So it is, first we'll find out the value of n. First we will find the value of n. Again using the same formula, n is a plus n minus 1 into d. How much it is given? Minus 230. What is the value of a given? Minus 5. N minus 1, d is not given. D we have calculated, it is minus 3. N is not given to us. Minus 240, minus 5, minus 3n plus 3 is equal to minus 230. Minus 2 minus 3n is equal to minus 230. 2 is shifted on the other side, it becomes plus 2. माइनस था ना इस साइड, तो दूसरी साइड जाके क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस हो जाएगा. सो माइनस 3n इज इक्वल टू माइनस 228. n is equal to 76. So what is the number of terms in this AP? It is 76. Now we are to find the sum of 76 terms. Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we are finding the sum of 76 terms of this AP. We put n is equal to 76. It is 38 by 76 by 2, which is 38. 2. What is a given? Minus 5 plus 76 minus 1. What was d given? D calculated minus 3. So simplifying, we get it equal to the sum of 76 terms of this AP is minus 8930. Fine. So third question will continue in the next video. Thank you.